That's where we were. This is friendly Kidungu from some highway estates. But now I'm vlogging from Nairobi, Kenyatta International Conference Center, where there is a very big organization of builders of Africa. Where about 43 countries have converged to showcase all their technologies here. As I am one of the invited guests, and I thank God for it because of you people now. I'm getting invitation. The team Friendly Kidungu is going to places. We are here now in a big way, representing you here, bringing everything that is going on here, so that from comfort to our living room, you will see what goes on here, this expo. Thank you so much for following me, wherever you are. I'm happy many of you are following me as usual. Every post I give or I upload has got viewers. And thank you so much even for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, please do so, because many are doing so. Thank you even for those who likes. Although there are very few compared to those who are watching, I am sure you are going to do it. And soon we shall be having equal number of likes and views. Thank you wherever you are. This is morning in Nairobi, Kenya. I'm in Nairobi, Kenya today. I'm not in Kenyatta Road. Thank you so much for following me. This is magnificent Kenyatta International Conference Center, the heart of Nairobi City. Thank you so much for following me. I'm bringing this as I have been invited, and when I'm invited, you are also invited. It's very colorful. Many nationalities are here. So you can see the flags of all the nations are here. You can see the magnificent International Conference Center there in the background. And you can see all of it as you can see here. You can see it from the confine of this building. You can see that is it. International Conference Center in the background. Thank you for following. Please keep on following because there's much more to be seen today, especially the building industry showcasing all what they do here. Thank you, my followers. Keep on following. No matter what time zone you are, I'll bring you and you see it at your convenient time. Thank you for following. Keep on following me. Those are different flags from the nationalities that are represented here today. As you can see, it is very magnificent. It's a wonderful conference center, world-class international conference center here in Nairobi, Kenya, KICC. As you can see it, my friends, it's a wonderful country, Kenya. As you can see, the imposing International Conference Center, KICC, with all its splendor. And you can see some of the machineries that have been exhibited here. You can see the exhibitors have come in a big way. They are representing this is spreaded and it is good. In the background, entertainers have come, traditional entertainers have come. So you can see the wares that have been displayed here, all concerning building industry. I talk more of building industry, I talk of building in our estates, and I have been given this opportunity to come and see the equipment involved in the magnificent building that we see in our estates. These are the people who manufacture those good equipment that resort or used by workers to produce the magnificent building that we see. This is the imposing city of Nairobi, as you can see it. You can see Nairobi city. It's a magnificent site, and many people have come to attend. Some exhibiting, and some are come to attend. So you can see the building industry board here, dashboard. Representing all what has been, all the people who are preparing and those who are exhibiting here today. This is what it is here at KICC. So viewers, this is the place at KICC, Kenyatta International Conference Center, where the showcasing of building industry and the equipment is taking place. This is 25th edition. They have been doing it annually. Never been invited before, but because of what this channel is doing, talking more about the settlement of the people building in Kenya, showing you all the what taking place in Kenyatta Road, Juja, Kenya. This has resulted to my being invited into this African showcase, and I can see also Britain is represented. You could see India is represented, China is represented. There are other very many organizations that have been represented here, my friends. And as you can see, the kind of visitors that are coming in here, they are trooping in one by one. It's a wonderful place today. And as you can see in the background is the city of Nairobi, magnificent city of Nairobi. So you can see it. And the people who have come here, there are machineries of all types that I'll make sure I'll show you today. The background is the Supreme Court. So we can see the kind of machineries that are exhibited here. You see the machineries making that particular noise. They are all machineries used in the construction industry, because the manufacturers of the machineries and the people who want their building to be built are partners. Those, especially Kenyatta Road, where we are seeing development is taking place in a big way. That's why I've been invited to come and see the equipment involved in the construction work, and even the modern building that we enjoy seeing and we are admiring in Kenyatta Road estates and others. As you can see, my viewers, the decorations, different companies, and the organizers have put a lot of banners here because it's a showcase of building industry, and we know Kenya being a third world country, this is where we stand. Our country is being developed. Even the developed world, they are also having new buildings. Old ones are giving way, and they are also looking for modernities in its totality. As you can see, many exhibitors are here, and as I will show you, because there's no way we can construct the houses that we see in Kenyatta Road if we don't have right machineries. To have good buildings, sound buildings, those will endure the floods like we witnessed the last season that ended 1 month ago. Those buildings that were not done well suffered the consequences. They collapsed and resulted to untold damages and losses. So this is the Kenyatta Conference Center in Nairobi, with all its majesty and its splendor. As you can see, people are coming in. Visitors are everywhere, trooping in, showcasing their wares or what they have best in terms of equipment or the building equipment. You can see the visitors coming in, getting their badges. Here is my badge. It has a badge, as you can see. And I have got another one. I've got another one, VIP badge. As you can see here, my friends, all because of you. And we have even schools coming. I've seen several school buses bringing the students to come and study the building and see the building industry as it is today. This is the reception where people are. Then we have got exhibitors of different equipments here. So you can see them. So you can see the kind of machineries that is displayed here. Some are common names like Judai. There are very many here. Judai. He is demonstrating to customers. So you can see the Judai. This is helping to excavate the sites or the building sites to it. The Judai, they are famous. Even the road constructions, the building, and even the lorry carrying the bulk of materials or excavated materials. You see the kind of visitors that have come from all over the world. All types of building equipment, excavators. In the construction industry, these are the machines that they use. It's a scoop, and it's help to load excavated materials to a lorry that you carry to designated sites. Tractor too also are used for the work, construction work. It's a wonderful sight. As you can see, there are also different makes from different companies. This all equipment that you need to prepare a site, and even when you are constructing, they are needed now and there and again. But in most cases, they prepare the sites, scoop all the waste materials, take it to designated sites. And we have got the lorries that will take the excavated materials to a waste place or to fill in another site. But these are being showcased here at KICC, Nairobi, Kenya. So all the vehicles. Oh, we are used to seeing this since China came 15 or so years ago. We have seen tremendous building work that has taken place in our country, Kenya. And these machines, we did not know them before. And now we realize they are very important in construction of the roads, constructions of houses, and everything dealing with construction work. I've not seen this one of Deere. I did not know John Deere also manufacture the scoop. I did not know of this, but of the China I know because they've done beautiful work here in Kenya. These vehicles are famous. They are constructed beautiful roads, big buildings. But John Deere, I did not know of John Deere. They also have the scoop. This is a wonderful equipment when you are preparing a site, making trenches. I only thought John Deere deal with farm equipment, tractors, but I have seen they also have equipment for building, road excavation, road making, and many other things that they do. It's wonderful equipment. Wonderful here at KICC. All sort of equipment, small and huge equipment of all types. There are equipment of all type and nature. Some for pressure making, some for producing electricity, and there's some meant for cleaning the floors, all type of machineries, concrete mixing equipment here, and a machine for welding work where you don't have electricity. And you can see also equipment for water bore or water wells to get water from down there. And then here we have the father of the nation, a statue, and KICC in the background. And there is a famous scooper, Shantui. And I think Shantui is from Japan. We also got good equipment. We are used to Japan because they have been with us here in Kenya for many years. Many years. They have constructed our roads, constructed our bridges across the big rivers, and also Indian Ocean bridges in the east coastal towns. They have been of great help in Kenya. Here they are giant generators that can give power in a big building. It's a big one, and they seem to be German machines. These are German machines. Huge power production to power a big building or a mall. And it can help you do all the work you want to do. There are all the exhibitors here. All the exhibitors. In the background we can see the founder of the nation, Mr. Jomo Kenyatta statue. first president. We refer to him as the father of nation. Many people have turned up here, as you can see them from all walk of life, with the exhibition expo. It's happening here in Kenya. Kenya is a preferred destination of many people from all over the world because of its diversity of what to see. As you can see, my friends, it's so beautiful here. Despite being very early in the morning hours, many people have come. All the types of nationalities, you find them here. Some are making spare parts of vehicles. Giant, so you can see here, giant bearings there are displayed for those big machineries. The spare parts are part of any machine. Okay, can you now tell them?
So this one over here.
First of all, you say who you are.
Oh, so I'm Great Idali. I'm working with WTE, a water cleaning company, water treatment. So over here we have our first machine. It's called the Influent Treatment Plant (TP). Its benefit is it helps in effective removal of pollutants, both organic and inorganic. We also have the treatment solutions. We have compliance with discharge regulations. We have reduced fresh water consumption, and then we also have cost-effective operation. Then the next one is zero liquid discharge (CLD). Its application it can be used in chemical industries, pharmaceutical industries, in textile industry, food and beverage companies, and also in mining and metal processing. We also have this one over here. It's the desalination plant. So its benefits, it has high quality freshwater production, it's energy efficient, environmental friendly, and it is reliable and robust construction. We also have the other one over there, the ultrafiltration plant, mostly used in greenhouses and all that. So it helps in treatment of RO. We also have wastewater treatment plants. And then its applications, it can be used in industrial applications, also drinking purpose and commercial, yes, removal, and also low pressure boiling. Then we also have the last one over there, as you can see, it's called the clarifier system. And we also have this one over here. The last one, its application is for boiler feed water industries such as sugar, power, and battery.
Now I'm asking, nowadays they have got big buildings, big flats, which also got out of affluence. This seemed to be purely industrial. Do you think of those big high-rising buildings where people are and there's a problem of sewerage?
Yeah, it can also help in that.
Which one?
This one, the effluent treatment plant. This one.
But now it will require a very huge place, isn't it? Bigger place.
Yeah, it requires a bit of land space, but not that much.
Like you see our construction, we should do it in 50 by 100. that is the plot size where we have the that big flat. You can imagine that's 10-story with so many people and the problem of sewerage. How can you store such a thing?
I think the best place for it, if it is a story building, you can use the rooftop.
Rooftop?
Yeah. You can connect the pipes and then you can use the rooftop.
But how do you take the waste to the rooftop? It's not possible.
It is possible.
Because now we have that big problem in the estates. They don't have to deal with the affluents from their house and the toilets and everything else. It become a big problem. Can you even ask your company to think of that sort of thing? Which one can be domesticated? Because we have now got a very big problem. You go to estates, affluent is flowing everywhere. The ordinary sewerage system does not work nowadays. So what can you do to help us in this building industry?
I think that should go to kids.
Okay.
Yeah.
So viewers, many countries are exhibiting difference of their whatever they produce. This is measuring technologies. They measure the weight. So another is a snail track network, Shanghai, China, with all their vehicles and trucks, what they produce. So you can see. My viewers wherever you are. This is what's happening here on the ground. Exhibitors have come in a big way. This is again material testing equipment, and they test the material that you use for construction. Rocks, whether they have got the kind of the requirement to make cements. They want to make a ballast and the type of soil you have. They measure all this so that your building is placed in a place where it will last for as long as you want it to last. This is a machine from Asia. Cement. They have got a rock. Universal machine there. Another specialty here is Dunlop adhesives, all the type of adhesive that you need in a house. Here they are, and they are the best in the market. Dunlop is the best, it's known worldwide.
Mixer.
Oh, these are the equipments.
Okay.
This is now the equipment used.
You are using this?
Yes, we use some of them, not all. We are not that big.
This one is customized. It's
Yes,
for
the
a
one
big plant.
for a big plant. Yes, yes. They use them also of not high building, but at least they are needed. They are better off.
Okay.
So here they are showing us the equipment they use during construction.
Yes.
As you can see, my viewers, wherever you are. And Kenya being a growing country, developing nation, we need all these equipments. We have seen them happening in the big buildings, but even in a smaller building, a smaller one for smaller people, they are necessary. This is how the equipment that we need for our construction work. Showcasing all the equipment that you need to construct that big building. We could be small today, but tomorrow we want to have that big kind of building. And equipment are here. And maybe in your place you need this kind of machineries. You will get them because knowledge is power. Oh yes, you can see the kind of building. Maybe you have got a smaller building today, but you like to construct such a kind of a building. So you can imagine kind of machineries that you need, like the one there. Mass combining work platform. We use post, but here there are machineries to do all that work. Oh, it's wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. See, yes, I want you also to tell them and welcome them to your. Tell them welcome. Tell them welcome.
Welcome to our company.
Yes, the company. Anytime they are dealing with the equipment for making work easy in construction.
Yes.
Though we do them in a funny way using posts, but there are machineries that can do all the work and make them better and have good building.
And
beautiful
also
building. Customized one as they do it. Our relationship with China is very good. So we love them because they have turned our country to a very beautiful country.
Yeah, we love you too.
Yes, we love you. From the time you came here 20 years ago, Kenya has changed a lot.
Yes.
You have roads are beautiful, high level buildings. Oh, we have learned a lot from you.
You have ever been to China?
I have never been there, but Chinese people have come here and make Kenya beautiful.
Yes.
Kenya is a beautiful country because of you people. And we love you so much. Yes. Karibu sana, karibu Kenya.
This is our Vice General Manager, Mr. Chen.
Oh, oh, how are you? Say hi to the people here. Say hi.
Hi.
Yes. Talk to greet them in your language. They also see me. They also see you because as we broadcast, you can speak in your language.
Also, welcome to CEBR.
Tell them.
Welcome to
CEBR.
CBR.
Yes. Tell them you have got equipment of whatever type.
Construction machineries.
Machineries
Yes.
of all types.
Yeah, as long as you have the detailed requirements,
Yes.
we can work together and research and discuss to work out the proposal.
Oh
yes.
Yeah. Oh
yes.
Good. Welcome. Thank you. Karibu Kenya. How long have you been in Kenya?
This is the first time, and
First time?
just 2 days before.
Two days before.
I hope we can have more chances to hear.
You should have it.
Yes.
Is it what you thought it is like? Is it what you thought it will be like? What you are seeing?
What we are seeing.
What you are seeing now with your eyes here. Is it
yes.
what you thought it is like?
Yes.
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 Yes, Kenya is good. It's a good country, good climate.
Kenya will be more and more beautiful in the future, actually.
Definitely it is.
I love it.
We are cooperating with you so much.
Yes.
You make us also as great as China.
Okay.
Yes, thank you. My good viewers, thank you for following me. This one, as you can see, is an exhibition of building materials and building industries, both equipments and what goes on in the building industry. The countries from all over the world are assembled here with what they produce in this industry. It's a big window for us in Kenya to see what is there, latest equipment that has been made around, all the materials to use in our houses as we construct them. As I talk more of houses and the estates, the new estates, here they are the equipment that go to construct the house and even for finishing the house, be plumbing work, electrical work, starting from excavation of the ground, preparation of the ground, the pricing of the ground. It's all happening here. And many countries than I had expected have come. Thank you wherever you are. Love you so much. This is midday in Kenya. But in my country, it could be evening, it could even be night, it could even be morning. Thank you so much for following me. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You as Frederick Longo, wherever you are, I love you so much because you are really doing me good things. I've been invited in this exhibition because of you people. They have recognized me as one of the people who is playing part in the construction industry, in the housing industry, real estate industry, and that's why I'm here to represent you. Thank you for following. Keep on following and you get the best of the best in this industry. Bye bye. Remember to see me, introduce me to our friends, and if possible, see the whole video so that you can understand what it's all about. I love you people. Love you so much. Thank you. God bless. See me in the next vlog.